I'm coming to you guys with a basically decluttering video. This is about all the makeup that I have left, basically, and I'm just gonna declutter and organize it with you guys. I also got these table scatters, which I'll tell you guys I use them for my jars for the brushes here. So as you can see, I have some over here, but gotten dirty while going through all this stuff, but this is basically everything I just got rid of. I figured there's just somebody else can use these since I just have bigger palettes, so I can actually use them. This setting spray, I might just dump it out and reuse this on some oils or something, so maybe you'll reuse that. I got rid of some lipsticks just because I already have these colors in another one, like a glossier matte, and it's stays on a little longer than these, so I might as well just keep those. And then my blue ones from Sephora, this one does come off, but it is a beautiful color, but it just doesn't stay on, and unfortunately I'm just gonna get rid of it. This mascara, I have to say it's my favorite. I love how dramatic is definitely true. It definitely pulls out all those eyelash hairs, and you will definitely have some eyelashes with these, so I definitely recommend this one. This one is just old, I believe. I don't know why I still have it. These, as you can see, they just like to play around. I don't know, holiday, Halloween or something, but don't care for them. I think this one's particular is like really bad. Or is it this one? I forget. It just comes like right off. It's so patchy and I do not like it. I think this one's pretty good though. But I'm just gonna get rid of them. There's only a little bit of brow powder in here. Don't need that. I obviously have all these brushes. This top keeps coming off, as you can see, so don't need that. I have 2 of these, so I don't need that. I have 2 of these as well. And the hairs just fall off, so as you can see, I don't know if you can, but I have quite some here. Don't need that. These are pretty old. Has a lot of oh, this is not too old. I don't know. I feel like I just have this shadow already, so. And this, I'm just gonna give away. These MAC lipsticks, I'm gonna give away. Let me know, is it true? I think I've heard it or seen it once. If you return these, you get like a new one or something. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. And then this one, I'm pretty sure I haven't finished up the other ones, but I need to get rid of it. These 2 are like literally out, as you guys saw. This one, the color is like very watery looking, so we're just gonna get rid of that. And then this mascara is like, primer is like really dried up. I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna get rid of that. And this liner, and this one, I've been having it for a while. Oh my gosh, see, like my kids just destroy it, so I'm gonna get rid of these stuff, probably reuse this, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed decluttering with me, and thumbs up. Right down below a lipstick emoji, and yeah, you'll see soon, and I'll pick a winner.